Hello sir, today I will teach you how to beam Roblox kids that steal their mom's credit cards.
Actually, beaming is bad and it's all a scam and people get nothing from beaming.
Shut the fuck up!
Want to get a lot of Robux like those little examples? Then follow my tutorial. I'm using this AI.
Hey guys, today I will show you how to make an Beam Discord link. Okay, first go to my Discord server and click site. Click the link that I press. Then up you. Okay, then click continue. Authorize. Now go click the three lines settings. Now put your real username, your fake username, your fake display name. Now we're gonna make a Discord webhook. Just go to your Google. Search Discord. Click open Discord in your browser. Now go make an Discord server. Follow what I'm gonna do. Not that, click S. Now go click the plus sign. Now click create my own. Permit my friends. Name your server. Now go to settings, server settings, integrations. Now create webhook. Click it and copy webhook URL. Go back to the site. Put your webhook there. Done. You make an Beam link. Now you can edit your profile there. Now I pick and grow a garden link because that's where I'm beaming at. Now go to hide link. Now you need to shorten your link. Click cut, copy, then copy the first message. Now we can go to the something. So just copy what I'm gonna do. Now put your short link there, the one we cut. Okay, now we're done making the link. Reset site. Now we're gonna test it. I was supposed to make an account here, but I forgot my username, the username that I made. That's why I just use my alt account. I was testing my link. No, don't do anything. Just make an account so you can test it. Now we're gonna test. I forgot the username here, so I just use my old account. See? Now if someone log in, you're gonna get notified like that. Now if they put their Gmail, which I'm about to get right now, getting it. Now copy, and if they log in and put their verification code, this will happen. That's why you need to convince them to log in. I'm hopping into my other account right now. See? It worked, guys. Go try it out.